What if GoPro just built the perfect 360 camera and nobody told you it would change how you shoot forever? Today, we're doing a deep dive on the GoPro MAX 2 to find out if this is truly the best GoPro ever, and more importantly, whether it should live in your kit. I'll cover design and durability, image quality and true 8K 360 capture, stabilization and reframing tools, real-world audio and battery life, and the one workflow catch that might make pros pause. Stick around because the reframing demo later is the part that turns casual clips into cinematic sequences. You know what's funny? GoPro keeps making things tougher and somehow lighter feeling. MAX 2 looks and feels like a proper action camera, but with 2 replaceable optical glass lenses and a magnetic mount that lets you swap setups in seconds. It's waterproof to 5 meters out of the box, and the lenses are serviceable, so a broken lens doesn't mean a broken camera. The body is built for dirt, snow, and full send stunts, but what sells it for creators is the tiny ergonomic details, lens guards that pop off, easy access ports, and a compact footprint that fits in a pocket or mounts to a drone with minimal fuss. This is where MAX 2 makes its loudest claim. True 8K spherical video with 29 million pixels across 2 synced sensors. In real terms, that means you can shoot once in 360 and reframe later to get razor-sharp traditional POV shots, third-person drone-style angles, or social-ready verticals without losing detail. The camera captures over 1 billion colors and supports high bitrate recording up to 300 megabits per second when you need the absolute best. For slow-motion fans, 4K at 100 frames per second spherical is a game changer for silky immersive slow-mo. Pro users also get GP log encoding and LUT support, so color grading is actually worth your time. GoPro's Max Hypersmooth delivers the smoothest 360 stabilization I've seen, and Horizon Lock keeps things level even through flips and heavy rotations. But the creative suite is the kicker. MotionFrame lets you move your phone through a 360 clip to find the ideal framing, and Camera Effects adds pro-style moves like spin, roll, and tiny planet with one tap. Reframing tools in the app track subjects, interpolate motion, and create automatic transitions that feel intentionally cinematic. If you hate missing the perfect angle mid-action, MAX 2 practically guarantees you'll still get something usable and exciting. A 6-microphone array captures immersive audio and reduces wind noise in a way that actually holds up in the edit. In single lens modes, you can match audio width to your field of view for cleaner results in POV shots. Battery life is improved with the new cold weather enduro pack that keeps you rolling in low temps and supports longer shoots. Expect strong day-to-day performance, but heavy 8K workflows will still chew through power and storage. Plan accordingly. Editing 360 footage is magical, but heavier than normal. Reframing and MotionFrame are genius, but 8K files are large and demand fast cards and a serious editing machine. GoPro's Quick app and desktop tools streamline most workflows, and MotionFrame makes reframing fast, but professionals will want a dedicated NLE workflow to get the most out of GP log and the high bitrate footage. If you're ready to manage large files, MAX 2 opens creative doors. If you want quick uploads on a phone, be ready to do some trimming or offload to a faster workstation. If you shoot adventure, immersive content, or want the ultimate safety net of shooting once and picking the best angle later, the GoPro MAX 2 is an enormous leap and arguably the best GoPro yet. For social creators and filmmakers who crave 5-star reframing and motion tricks, it's a dream. If your workflow can't handle massive 8K files or you need instant lightweight edits from a phone, be aware of the trade-offs. Which feature excites you most? The true 8K capture, MotionFrame reframing, or the rugged replaceable lenses? Drop your pick in the comments, like if this helped, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates.